Everybody, welcome back. So, as you probably saw in Clay's posting yesterday, you can see it on his channel over at Clayco 47. That's KLAYCO47. It appears that Pioneer Arms, at least U.S. Pioneer Arms, has fired all their employees. I'm not really sure. You probably saw at least this one posting says Pioneer is closed, out of business. There's a whole lot of stuff following that. And of course, you see this one that was posted this morning. This was like 4 a.m. this morning, posted about 2 hours ago. You go and look at some of the comments. A lot of people think it's kind of a scam. However, this Jay Johnson guy, from what I can recall right here, it says, well, I was the VP. Everyone got fired today, so maybe the owner's going to do everything. I don't know all the circumstances surrounding this. It is really unfortunate for one of their, I guess you could say one of your entry-level AK companies like this to close their doors. I don't know if they're completely closing their doors or if the owner just decided to clean house. That does happen sometimes within companies. Sometimes they go completely under, kind of like, I guess, Kalashnikov USA. I mean, it's really unfortunate to see this, especially considering I just got my 20-inch Sporter from them, which is actually a pretty nice looking rifle for the money. So I'm really not sure what's going to come of this. A lot of people were saying, oh, well, there's no press release, and this guy's saying, well, there's nobody working there. That's why there's no press release. And I'm assuming that's why they have this posted on Facebook. It is, like I said, it's rather unfortunate. I hate to see it. I was actually wanting to get some more parts and stuff from them, but, that's just not going to happen now. Like I said, I mean, they were probably the most competitively priced AKs in the market, when you think about it. Because more recently, Century Arms, their AKs are kind of a little bit more expensive now. So in terms of affordability, they were probably the most affordable, to be perfectly honest. And then if you check out Misha's videos where he and Jay were torture testing one, doing a long-term review, it actually wasn't bad. I mean, and if you check out Clay's video on the 5.56, I mean, they're really not bad AKs. They just, I don't know. It's a lower tier AK, but it looks like they got some of the bugs worked out when they switched from cast to forged trunnions and stuff. It's really unfortunate. Of course, I was scrolling down and I did happen to notice this posting. On September 4th, the last of our 20 inches went to Atlantic Firearms. This explains why when I bought one, they suddenly disappeared from the website. I thought they just sold out, but apparently they all went over to Atlantic Firearms. And this also explains a lot, because I noticed yesterday I did get an email from Atlantic Firearms stating that, they had a ton of Pioneer Arms listings. I mean, they had the PPS 43 pistols. They had tons of stuff listed on there, and it was all Pioneer Arms related, which made me start thinking. And then when I, got out on Facebook this morning, that's when I kind of noticed what was going on here, which, like I said, it's rather unfortunate. I hate to see it. That means you have less competition in the AK market, especially for, actually, I don't think you really have any American-made ones. Well, quote-unquote American-made. I mean, you've got Century, I guess, but, they kind of have questionable build quality. By the way, Century, if you're watching this, I'd love to test one out, to be perfectly honest, to see how the quality control has improved over the years. I've always shied away from it because of things I've seen in the past, but I'd be open to trying one out. But anyway, yeah, I hate to see this. It really sucks. I don't know. I don't know. Hey, Jay Johnson, if you are indeed the VP over there, or were the VP, reach out to me via the contact info on my Facebook page, or my my YouTube channel. I'd like to discuss it. I'd like to know, what happened. I'm sure a lot of other people would like to know as well. But just wanted to get this out to you guys. They're stating on here, hey, don't buy anything off the website, because you're not going to get it. So just want to thank you guys for tuning in, and I hate to share news like this, but just figured I'd get it out there and kind of I guess corroborate what Clay had posted yesterday. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and y'all have a great day.